So it's almonds, hazelnuts, and some sugar and some little water. And we're gonna cook it. Yay.
I'm loving this stuff.
And then you stir.
That means I still have a pot for the kitchen.
Yeah, this is not difficult, but you have to balance the fire because if it's too high, they come caramelized,
Right.
brown, which are good anyway. If you go slow with the fire, so they have white sugar on, they are covered with only with white sugar. Visto che non andate a prendere un dolce, vi do io. If you want some more pasta, just ask, eh?
So we counterbalance it.
I was addicted with this, really. After 10 hours of working, of job,
Right.
we come back, the only thing is to get a gratification, you see? Like this.
And you just, yeah.
And then you look down and see somebody snuck in and ate all your hazelnuts. This wine is very good.
Very good one. I was about to say Scott doesn't know. Tasting himself.
No, he's been, he hasn't had time to eat or anything.
Okay, I'm good.
Le messaggiate, queste sono tradizioni. This is my grandmother tradition. She came from the Puglia, and she made this for the Christmas. That's why. So instead of going to the gym pool, make exercises, just cook something.
You have to do all of those. You're gonna do later the entire 2 pans. Wow.
You know, they stay sitting on the table after dinner, and they talk, they drink something, and they start
Right.
till the end. Okay, so it starts to a little bit becoming dry, no? Come si dice lucido? It's not more lucid, it starts to be opaque,
Right.
no? You see?
Yes.
So this is before they get brown caramelized.
Back down to the sugar.
You see?
Yes.
Wow.
When they are a little bit less